And this is the steamed fish sauce that we just made a while ago using the taucu and also salted black bean. Not done yet. I'm going to put in a lot of fresh coriander. Appa is a fresh coriander person. I know some of you hated it.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have a very nice snapper with me today. This is table size, approximately 500 or maybe 550 grams. I'm going to steam it, and then I haven't decided what flavor I'm going to make it into. I will decide later. So what we do is make sure you wash the fish thoroughly, especially the fish kidney, which is the center part. Yeah, the center part of the fish here. This is there are some blood inside here. This is actually the fish kidney. So what you do is make sure it is removed and fish clean thoroughly, because that is the source of fishiness. Then we put few pieces of ginger in the fish cavity here, make few slits or score the fish so that the fish can be cooked faster and easier. Then I'll be also putting 2 pieces of ginger on top. Not forgetting we are going to season the fish with a little bit of fine salt. And let's put it into your steamer for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. I have preheated my steamer. Put in the fish. I'm going to steam it for approximately 10 minutes. And let's go and do our sauce. So I have decided to do a fermented bean sauce. Yeah, fermented bean sauce. I have approximately 1 tablespoon of fermented soya bean and 1 tablespoon of salted black bean. And I always want to crush the or mince the salted black bean so that the flavor can come out easier. And today my taucu, fermented soya bean, is actually a mince type, so it's already minced lah. The flavor can come out easier. You always want to do that. And then I have some fresh coriander, some ginger slices, chili and garlic, and also my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Alright, so first of all, let's give it some oil. 2 to 3 tablespoons to start with. Then you put in your ginger and also garlic. Together with the salted black bean and the fermented soya bean. Always remember one thing: whenever you are using some fermented products or fermented ingredient, always have to use some hot oil to saute it to remove the earthiness, if any. Ooh, now it's already very flavorful. I like using all this fermented beans sometimes because it really enhances the flavor of your dish. If you haven't tried, do give it a try. Alright, this is after approximately a minute or 2 sauteing. It is super fragrant right now. And we are going to give it some water. Look at this beautiful sauce. You don't have to put in too much of other things. I'm just going to give it a bit of light soy sauce, a little bit of salt, a bit of sugar. Yeah, this is how we Asian normally cook. A bit of this, a bit of that, a pinch of this, a pinch of that. Agar, you don't really measure that. But don't use the way I'm using. I straight away pour the sugar inside through the bottle. It's a very bad example. You should just use a spoon. Use a spoon. If not, sometimes maybe the whole lot of sugar will go inside. The chili. And you want to enhance the flavor, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, made from 100% natural ingredient. Yeah. For those who are interested, you can get it from Shopee, Malaysia or Singapore. Basically, the sauce is ready. See, so simple. After the sauce is ready, I also hear the beep beep sound from my combi oven. Basically, our fish is ready. Actually, after the steaming part, I actually left the fish inside here for another 1 or 2 minutes to allow the heat, the residual heat to really cook through the fish. Oh, a lot of fishy water. Those we don't want. Right, see all this fishy water, the steamed fish water, these are the source of fishiness. You don't want all it. You don't want all this. We actually took the fish over to another serving plate. So here's the fish in the serving plate. And this is the steamed fish sauce that we just made a while ago using the taucu and also salted black bean. Not done yet. I'm going to put in a lot of fresh coriander. Appa is a fresh coriander person. I know some of you hated it. Few dashes of white pepper. Alright, done. I hope you like my very simple steamed fish video today. This will be our dinner tonight. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.